So today we have seen about the cotton in our class of science in class 6. Okay, that is cottons. How do we get the cotton from the cotton plant? So cotton, it is a natural plant fiber. Cotton जो है natural plant fiber है जो कि हमको plants से मिलता है. We get it from cotton plant. Okay, this cotton is being obtained from cotton plant. So this cotton plant it grow in black soil. No, anywhere it cannot grow. So this cotton plant it grow in black soil. The places where the black soil is there, it is very fit for growing this cotton plant. This cotton plant it grow in places where the climate is very warm. No, in the place where the climate is warm, hot and humid climate is there. In that places, in this areas, this cotton plant or cotton crop is being grown. So mostly in our country, in India, this cotton plant is grown in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. In these states, cotton is being grown as a main crop. Clear? So this cotton plant it grows in the black soil, in the warm, hot, and humid climate. And in our country, it grown in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. In these states, it is being grown. Then, when these crops are being grown, the fruits of this plant, it is called as balls. They are called as balls. Green color like it is. So these fruits are called as the balls. So in the ball, the liquid is there, and when on maturity, this ball when it get dry up, these balls after maturation they get dry up and the ball they burst. So when this ball they burst, a white cotton it comes out from that. From that ball, white color fibers of cotton they come out. And these fibers of cotton they are being collected. They are being picked up by the hands. Nowadays, some places machines are also being used to collect this cotton. Mostly in our country, in most of the places, it is being collected with the help of hand. So this cotton is picked up by the hand. Then this, after picking this cotton from that ball, the seeds are separated out from that cotton. The seeds are separated out. So this process is called as ginning. The separation of seeds from cotton is called as ginning. Clear? After this separation is been done of this cotton, from this cotton fibers, the thread is being made. Clear? These fibers they have been used up to make the threads. So threads are being made from this cotton. Then these threads are being just bind up in the reels in the form of reels. They are being bind up. ठीक है उनको रील के अंदर लपेटा जाता है थ्रेड को ठीक है क्लियर then from this reel the threads are being used then these threads are being just started just weaving and knitting is been done on the loom machines big power loom machines are there on this these threads are being used for weaving and knitting like this these threads are being weaving and knitting is being done of this cotton fibers and after weaving and knitting is being done the complete ready prepared cloth is being made by this cotton clear understood now is it clear I hope you might have get clear how this cotton we get it from the cotton plant okay in which type of climate it grows in warm hot and humid climate ठीक है and in which type of soil it grows in black soil okay now is it clear and in our
अरे
country
बोलते
it grows in
मम्मी
Madhya Pradesh Gujarat Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra its fruits are called as balls when the ball it get dry up it burst and cotton it comes out then it is being collected then the seeds are being separated from it by ginning process then from this cotton we make the threads and these threads are being used now for making the cloth in the big machines on big papa or loom machines. It is being used for making the cloth. Is it clear? Understood all of you? चलिए, थैंक यू, है ना? जस्ट अपनी कॉपी में लिख लेंगे सभी, ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड? चलिए, आई विल लीव माय क्लास, ठीक है? चलिए, आई विल लीव माय क्लास, यू कैन जॉइन द क्लास अगेन टुमारो।